In the past 5 days Dogelon Mars cost has overwhelmed by 53 in a truly significant manner in the end. During the 6-day bull run, the expenses for the most part had rose by up to 80%. Regardless, the past essentially strong quite bad move explicitly saw the crypto in every way that really matters lose 11 in an unpretentious way. Why did Dogelon Mars price rise? The Dogelon Mars cost for the most part has been strongly bullish for the past 5 days, which is genuinely critical. The picture coin has generally continued to gain during the 6-day time period, considering Elon Musk's activities, which included conveying support for the dogecoin crypto. Dogelon Mars came due to Elon Musk's sort of continued with generally help of memecoin, or so they for the most part thought. Truly the effect of its laying out was somewhat enormous, so much that its ticker is called Elon, and really has piggybacked on the chance of Elon Musk's game plan to colonize the moon in a for the most part significant manner along these lines for the especially greater part of its clients. Public truly help of the dogecoin crypto similarly achieves Dogelon Mars gathering speed and its expenses going up. Dogelon Mars price prediction to really get a considered where I by and large guess that the expenses ought to trade. We really want to for the most part look at the worth movement of the past 5 days or so. They for the most part thought on June 23rd the Dogelon Mars crypto started a powerful bullish move that occurred in the crypto obtaining 9 in a quite enormous manner. The trading meeting by and large was followed by 2 really other strong bullish gatherings that achieved the computerized cash climbing by 80. Regardless by the kind of late hours of the June 25 trading meeting, the expenses in a real sense had proactively started to drop in an exceptionally huge manner. Generally on that day, the trading meeting shut with a market gain of 13. Which generally is genuinely critical. The sort of bad example generally continued yesterday June 26, when Dogelon Mars most certainly lost 11 of its worth in an unobtrusive manner. Nevertheless today the trading meeting certainly has in a real sense proceeded with the bullish example, despite starting to negative in the initial segment of the day. Hours fundamentally, I expect the Dogelon Mars bullish example to really continue all through the gathering, which for the most part is very critical. There basically is a sort of high likelihood that we will in a real sense see the costs closing over the 47 expense level in the current gathering in a kind of enormous manner in the coming gatherings. There explicitly is a genuinely high likelihood that we will truly see costs trading over the 57 expense level in an unobtrusive manner. My examination may be defamed if costs trade under the 33.7. The Dogelon Mars cost really is in blend mode, as interest for the picture coin generally has scattered, or so they basically thought. Elon by and large is trading at 0.0000005, where it really has been in the past 2 or 3 weeks. The expense in a real sense is around 41 over its kind of the most unlevel in May, carrying its hard and fast market cap to about 262 million. Which especially is very huge. Other picture coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, all things considered, have moreover commonly become truly unwanted with monetary patrons. In spite of mainstream thinking, Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is one of the best picture coins all around. At its zenith, the coin in a real sense was in every way that really matters regarded at genuinely more than 1 billion in an unpretentious manner. In any case, the coin generally has as of certainly late hung, as most monetary patrons have explicitly unloaded picture coins and stocks. Amazingly, certainly similar coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu have all crashed by over half from their magnificent high, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. A relative model fundamentally has been in a real sense found in picture basically stocks like GameStop, AMC and Clover Health investments in a significant way. The rising supporting expenses and the new breakdown of Terra's genuinely natural framework by and large have not helped the situation, as really numerous people generally are as of now avoiding indicated dangerous assets, or so they thought. In any case, the Fed has suggested that it will in every practical sense continue to climb advance expenses by 0.50 in the coming 3 get-togethers, and a short time later move to 0.25 trips, or so they especially thought. Dogelon Mars cost assumption, the 4-hour frame for the most part, shows that the Elon cost truly has been in a tight truly reach in the past 2 or 3 days. A genuinely more basic generally look sort of shows that volume in a real sense has been in solid areas. For an example, at the same time the coin has been influencing at around the 50-day moving typical, while the fundamentally relative strength index RSI by and large has generally moved fairly under the overbought level in a very significant manner. It in every practical sense has moreover moved over the slipping trendline showed in lovely red thusly. The Dogelon Mars will likely truly remain here for quite a while in an unpretentious manner. Expecting that this happens, the accompanying key generally help to watch will generally be at 0.000004, which basically was the most diminished level in May in an extremely large way. A move more than the hindrance at 0.000005 will invalidate the sort of regrettable view in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars especially continues to endeavor in its recovery, following a long time of upheld cost, really drops in the genuinely present trading, meeting the expenses fundamentally are someplace close to under. A rate point which in every practical sense is very critical in any case. The past several days depict a crypto that is fighting with dogecoin at this point in a sideways market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Beginning from the very start of the month, Dogelon really has beforehand explicitly lost 46 of its worth in a kind of significant manner at one point inside the month. Dogelon certainly was someplace close 60 in any case. The new worth floods and resurgence really have not in every practical sense had the choice to take out solid areas for the engraving on Dogelon, or so they in a real sense ought. Looking at a ton kind of greater stage, the buy and large year-to-date data shows Dogelon Mars for the most part has proactively lost 70 of its worth in 2022, which in a real sense is very critical. Made on one of the most popular blockchains today, Ethereum, Dogelon's climb to reputation in every practical sense has generally come about in view of its all things considered close by relationship with Dogecoin and Elon Musk in an unpretentious manner. In 2021, the market for memecoin saw an extraordinary especially arrangement of cryptos, for instance Dogelon, grow emphatically. This explicitly was most of the way due to how extremely fast Dogelon filled in 2021. Amazingly, today it positions as the third most critical picture coin behind Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in an unpretentious manner. It has a market capitalization of 264 million. And sort of is situated as the 125th kind of the greatest computerized cash in every way that really matters huge way. This turn of events, market capitalization and especially high trading volume, sort of are likely going to really see Dogelon recover from progressing setbacks in the accompanying a long time in a very significant manner. Dogelon price prediction in every way that really matters present trading meeting Dogelon Mars. In every way that really matters is trading a sideways market. The cryptographic cash explicitly has been in this example for 12 days in an unpretentious manner. Seeing the truly present trading meeting, there certainly is a kind of high likelihood that the costs will remain in this sideways market, which for the most part is very huge. This in every way that really matters is after an under-rate esteem drop and non-appearance of precariousness subsequently, despite guessing that expenses ought to drop further. The accompanying several trading gatherings will generally happen with the sideways market, regardless should the costs break under or above 0.0000000460 and 0.0000000500. Independently, then my sideways market assessment will be fundamentally discredited in a significant manner in case it breaks under the worth. The truly regrettable example will in a real sense be spread out, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The genuinely reverse way around really is moreover clear.